Taking a screenshot on a Mac is a simple and useful skill to have, allowing you to capture images of your screen for a variety of purposes. To get started, make sure you are on the page or screen you want to capture. First, you need to know the keyboard shortcuts for taking screenshots on a Mac. The most common shortcut is Command-Shift-3, which captures the entire screen. If you want to capture a specific part of the screen, you can use Command-Shift-4, which turns your cursor into a crosshair that you can use to select the area you want to capture. To use Command-Shift-3, simply press the Command and Shift keys at the same time, and then press the 3 key. You will hear a camera shutter sound, and the screenshot will be saved to your desktop as a PNG file. The file name will include the date and time the screenshot was taken. If you want to capture a specific window, you can use Command-Shift-4, and then press the spacebar. This will turn your cursor into a camera icon, which you can use to select the window you want to capture. Simply click on the window, and the screenshot will be saved to your desktop. You can also use the Preview app to take screenshots. To do this, open the Preview app, and then go to the File menu and select Take Screenshot. From here, you can choose to capture the entire screen, a selection, or a specific window. In addition to taking screenshots, you can also use the Grab app, which is a built-in app on Macs. To access the Grab app, go to the Applications folder, and then open the Utilities folder. From here, you can open the Grab app and use it to take screenshots. Regardless of which method you use, taking a screenshot on a Mac is a quick and easy process. By following these steps, you can capture images of your screen and use them for a variety of purposes, such as creating tutorials, documenting errors, or simply sharing information with others.